Could quantum computing be the end of Bitcoin? Is this the impending doom that we've been warned about? Welcome to the fascinating yet potentially perilous world of quantum computing, a realm that may just hold the key to Bitcoin's future. Unlike traditional computing, which is built around bits that can either be zeros or ones, quantum computing uses quantum bits or qubits. These qubits, thanks to the principles of quantum mechanics, can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. This ability to exist in multiple states simultaneously gives quantum computers their extraordinary computational power, rendering them capable of solving problems that would take traditional computers eons to crack. Now, what does this have to do with Bitcoin, you might wonder? Well, the answer lies in the realm of cryptography. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are built on the bedrock of cryptographic security. Their safety lies in the difficulty of solving certain mathematical problems, a task that is currently beyond the capabilities of traditional computers. However, with the advent of quantum computing, this security blanket could be ripped away. The powerful computational abilities of quantum computers could potentially break the cryptographic codes that protect Bitcoin, leaving it vulnerable to attacks. In fact, estimates suggest that approximately 1/4 of Bitcoin in circulation could be at risk from these quantum attacks. This threat is not just about the potential loss of Bitcoin, it's about the loss of trust in a system that millions have invested in, both emotionally and financially. It's about the potential destabilization of a digital economy that has been steadily gaining momentum over the years. The quantum threat is real and imminent. It's not a question of if, but when. So, with all of this, the question that arises is, are we prepared for this quantum threat? In the face of this looming threat, how is the Bitcoin community responding? Well, there's no simple answer to that question. The Bitcoin community is a dynamic, diverse group with a wide array of perspectives on this issue. Some in the community advocate for a timely migration to what's known as post-quantum cryptography, a form of encryption that is believed to be resistant to the potential threats posed by quantum computing. They argue that the best defense is a good offense, and pushing forward with technological advancements is the most effective way to stay ahead of potential threats. However, not everyone in the community agrees with this approach. There are those who stress the importance of improving communication and governance within the Bitcoin community to address these risks effectively. They argue that it's not just about the technology itself, but also about how we manage and govern it. This is a complex issue, and it's not just tech experts who are weighing in. Savvy investors whose financial futures could be greatly impacted by this issue have also been taking notice. These investors understand that any potential risk to Bitcoin security could have significant financial implications, and they've been factoring this quantum risk into their strategies. Some see it as a major threat, while others consider it just one of many risks in the volatile world of cryptocurrency. But despite this wide range of opinions, there's a common thread that runs through these discussions. Whether it's advocating for technological advancements, improving governance, or adjusting investment strategies, everyone in the Bitcoin community is actively engaged in finding ways to protect and preserve the future of Bitcoin. So it seems there's no unanimous agreement within the community, but can there be a middle ground? What could be the possible solutions to this quantum conundrum? We are about to dive into the diverse suggestions put forth by experts to tackle this looming quantum threat. Firstly, some tech wizards propose a somewhat paradoxical solution, integrating quantum technology into blockchain systems themselves. This might seem like letting the fox guard the henhouse, but the idea is to fight fire with fire. By harnessing the very power that threatens to undermine the system, we could potentially enhance the security of our beloved cryptocurrencies. This approach, though promising, does require a deep understanding of both quantum computing and blockchain technology, and it's still very much in the experimental phase. Secondly, there's a school of thought that emphasizes the need for transparent mitigation strategies. This is about being open and honest about the threats we face and how we plan to counteract them. It's about creating contingency plans, testing them and refining them. It's about being prepared for every possible scenario so that if and when a quantum attack does happen, we can respond swiftly and effectively. Finally, there's a call for increased collaboration between the cryptocurrency and quantum computing communities. This is about bridging the gap between these two worlds, sharing knowledge and resources and working together towards a common goal. After all, we're all in this together. The threat of quantum computing isn't just a problem for Bitcoin or Ethereum or any single cryptocurrency, it's a challenge for the entire digital world. So, while there's no silver bullet solution to the quantum threat, there are several paths we could take. Each has its own set of challenges and opportunities, and each requires a different set of skills and resources. But one thing is clear: the conversation has started and the wheels are in motion. We may not have all the answers yet, but we're asking the right questions. As we can see, the solution might not be straightforward, but the conversation has certainly begun. To wrap things up, let's summarize the key points. Quantum computing, with its potential to break current encryption methods, poses a considerable cybersecurity threat to Bitcoin. A quarter of the Bitcoin in circulation could be vulnerable to quantum attacks, leading to significant losses and a potential loss of trust in the system. The Bitcoin community's response is divided. While some call for a swift transition to post-quantum cryptography, others emphasize the need for improved communication and governance to effectively tackle these risks. It's clear that the savvier investors have already factored in the quantum risk, though opinions differ on the severity of potential breaches and the community's ability to respond. As for solutions, some experts propose integrating quantum technology into blockchain systems to bolster security. Others stress the need for transparent mitigation strategies and collaboration between the cryptocurrency and quantum computing communities. It's crucial for everyone involved to stay informed and prepared for the potential impact of quantum computing on Bitcoin. In the end, only time will tell if quantum computing will be the end of Bitcoin. Until then, stay informed, stay prepared, and keep the conversation going.